Hi, I'm Crystal and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. This is the band. The Bacchanal Spellbound experience made a colourful trek in the streets of the corporate area. Revellers made their way from the Ligani starting point to the Gulf Academy in New Kingston for the climax of the Bacchanal Jamaica series.
Your blessings, the entire Jamaica. I am Kes from Trinidad, saying one Caribbean, saying one love. So it's great to be here again. And you know, every year it's growing. And having a great time on the road. I love that it's in Jamaica, but I love that it still feels there are a lot of elements from home right here. So it's a unique blend, you know. Very much it's a growing industry, and I think what I want the general Jamaica to realize is that it has become another carnival stop in a very big way, and Jamaica is a beautiful place to discover on its own. So that and carnival is gasoline and matchsticks.
Another successful year for Bacchanal Jamaica, closing the 2017 carnival season on a record-breaking high. Fans of dancehall artist Alkaline this weekend turned out to witness his live performance at the O2 Academy in Brixton. Tempers mounted yesterday after promoters were forced to cancel the concert due to security concerns. A riot then broke out after news began to circulate about the cancellation, leaving fans demanding a full refund of £42.
Police block off the road, everyone outside of the pavement, the Alkaline show cancelled.
Veteran entertainers Shaka Demus and Pliers, Half Pint and Dignitary Stylish are teaming up for a For the Hard Way collab titled Money Man Skank. The single was initially released in 1993, but the now revamped lyrics are featured on an up-tempo beat produced by Shaka Demus. As the musical paradigms continue to shift, these veteran acts are showing their versatility and their commitment to showcasing and preserving good quality reggae music. The single will be featured on the upcoming $Sign EP project. On the international scene, pop superstar Rihanna is on the fire once more for a recent Instagram post where she shared 4 superimposed pictures of herself clad in some racist styles but with the Queen's head on top. Rihanna's posts have caused a social media firestorm, with persons labeling her actions as disrespectful and offensive. Queen Elizabeth II celebrated her 91st birthday over the weekend. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.